All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. And your topic is describe an activity that made you feel tired. Yes, please.
I would like to describe you activity which made me very tired. This activity was my field office field activity. Start from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. This was very hot day, and our work was um, collection beneficiaries data collection from door to door in different villages. So I was very tired to walking in this huge and dusty areas, and there was no any shop for water, drinking for water, and other anything for eating. So this day made me very tired, and for example, I feel illness.
I felt ill.
I felt ill, and I asked my colleagues, please give me a break. So they told me no, we should completed our work in this day. We have no spare time for this break. So continue. We should continue our this work. Um, so this day is very tired for me.
Okay, this is very good. Better than before. Okay, keep it up. Now just increase your volume a little and try to speak more frankly and excitedly. Okay.
Inshallah, sir.
Now
Next.
let's move on to speaking part 3. When do people usually feel tired?
Um, when any activity is not according to their mind and their behavior, and their cabinet was not according to their favoritism, so they feel this activity and this work tired.
Okay, this work make people feel tired. Okay, full
Yes.
sentence. All right, let's go on. What do you think about striving for learning and striving for sports? Like people are putting efforts towards sports or towards learning. What do you think about that?
Sorry, sir, I
All right.
can't
Do
understand your.
people have fewer holidays now than in the past?
Again, please, sir,
Do
question.
people have fewer holidays now as compared to the past?
Yes.
All right, you need to focus speaking part 3 questions as well, because in part 3 they asked you questions like that. So you need to focus them, okay?
Okay, sir.
All right, that's the end of your speaking test. Looking at your overall performance at present, I'll give you a 5 band because of part 3. But if you work hard, you can achieve it.